Excuse me, I'm looking for a karaoke restaurant for my birthday party. Could you give me some information about those, please?
Yes, of course.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Its name is Bell.
How do you spell it, please?
Yes, Bell.
Bell, right?
Yes,
And where is it?
it's at 12 Phạm Văn Đồng Street.
It's at 12 Famino Street.
Yes.
And when is it open?
Well, we're open from 8 a.m. to midnight every day.
Okay. And how much does an hour cost?
Only 90,000 Vietnam đồng per hour.
Yes. And how many people can a room accommodate?
Our room accommodate from 10 to 20 people.
10 to 20 people.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
welcome.